morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the daily crypto tech review of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple's XRP. We're looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the day's support, resistance and pivot levels and the Fibonacci's. It is Thursday the 2nd of September. Jumping straight into Bitcoin against US dollar, looking at the hourly candlesticks, bullish start to the day. Going to need to see Bitcoin avoid a fall through the pivot at 48,184 to break back through the first major resistance level at 49,778. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Bitcoin to break back through to 49,700 levels. So buying and extend a rally on the day. Expect that first major resistance level and resistance at 50,000 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, we got the 23.6% fib at 54.73 and the second major resistance level at 57.33 to cap any upside. A slide through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 47.229 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Bitcoin should stay clear of sub 46,000. Second major support level sits at 45,635. Looking at the MACDs, we have a widening of the bullish histograms at the turn of the day, coming off the back of this morning's rally and yesterday's late move. So look out for further widening there to support upside through the day. On the EMAs, it's also bullish with the 50, 100 and 200 all converged. So look out for a bullish crossover there to support a breakout that would bring 50,000 levels into play. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 48,184, move back through to 49,700 levels to bring 50,000 levels into play. Moving across to Ethereum against US dollar, it's a bearish start to the day. Going to need to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 3686 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 3987. Support from the broader market is going to be needed for Ethereum to break out from 3,800 levels. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level and resistance at 4,000 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, we've got the second major resistance level at 4145 to cap any upside on the day. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 3528 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ethereum should avoid second major support level at 3227. 23.6% fib at 3369 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACDs, we have a narrowing of the bullish histograms through the early part of the morning, coming off the back of this morning's pullback. So look out for a possible bearish cross there. On the EMAs, however, that's still a bullish signal. 50 pulling away from the 100 and the 200, suggesting further upside ahead. So key, avoid the pivot at 3686, move back through to 3,800 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Moving across the Litecoin against the US dollar, also a bullish start to the day. Going to need to see Litecoin avoid the 23.6% fib at 178 and the pivot at 177 to continue to run at the first major resistance level at 186. Support from the broader market is going to be needed to break out from this morning's high 185. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Litecoin target 200 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 192. Fall through the 23.6% fib and pivot at 177. We'll bring the first major support level at 172 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Litecoin should stay close to 170s. Second major support level sits at 163. Looking at the MACDs, slight widening of the bullish histograms through the early part of the morning, coming off the back of this morning's rally. So look out for a further widening there to support further upside. On the EMAs, that's a bullish signal. 50 pulling away from the 200 and the 100, with the 100 closing in on the 200, suggesting further upside ahead. So look out for a bullish cross, 100 through the 200 to bring 200 levels into play. When you're looking at Ripple's XRP against the US dollar, also positive start. Going to need to see Ripple's XRP avoid the pivot at 1.2112 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 1.2625. Support is going to be needed for Ripple's XRP to break out from 1.25 levels. So barring an extended rally on the day, that first major resistance level should cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ripple's XRP target 1.3s before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 1.2873. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level 1.1864 into play. Barring an extended sell on the day, Ripple's XRP should avoid sub 1.1s. Second major support level at 1.1352 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACDs, widening of the bullish histograms through the early part of the morning, coming off the back of this morning's rally. So look out for a further widening there. On the EMAs, that's a bullish signal as well, with the 50 pulling away from the 100 and the 200, suggesting further upside ahead. So key, avoid the pivot at 1.2112, break out from 1.25 levels to bring resistance levels into play.